All right, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to AWS tutorial. We learned this together. Actually, I know some of this when I got my cloud practitioner, but it's been a little minute, man. So we just signed up for a brand new free tier. Okay, so right now, total credits earned. We already have 100 credits, so we already earned 20 credits when we did not the Amazon, the budgets. We did budgets already. Create an Amazon database. Let's see if we can create Amazon database. Create Amazon database. Relational is fully managed database. I don't have no information. They will incur the service charges. Service will be deducted from your free tier credits. All right, we're gonna try to do it quick. Then shut it down. Shut it down. Shut it down. Shut it down. Easy create. Let's go easy create. SQL Server. Yeah. All right. I'm pretty sure MariaDB is the cheapest. Sandbox. It don't matter. But we're gonna go to MariaDB just cause I'm pretty sure this is the one I used to use. Database is identified database 1, master username. Type a login ID for the master user of the database. We're gonna type in Cam. Credential management. Create your own password. RDS generates a password for you and manages it throughout its life cycle. Yep, that's what we want. If you manage the master user credentials, additionally some are supported, whatever. We're just trying to get the free money, man. Select the encryption key. Okay. Set up EC2 connection, optional. We don't want to set up no EC2 connection. View default settings for Easy Create. Easy Create sets the following configurations to the default value. Free database. Sure. Whatever. Let's create this database. It's gonna create the database. We're gonna see what happens. This usually takes some time. View connection details. Username, credential, endpoint by choose view connection. I know people like, yo, how you just clicking stuff in here? Yeah, listen. It's nothing. You just gotta do it. And available status indicates every creation is complete. All right, I thought we did. Oh no, I forgot this is a new account. Congratulations, you could create the tutorial. It's creating the database. We gotta wait for it to create the database. Identify what does it say here? It's available. That means it's created.